Hello everyone, and welcome back to Optima, home of the Optima APOS series product group. In this video, we are going to have a closer look at the user maintenance module. I'll show you how to do that right after this. Hello everyone, and welcome back to Optima. This module allows you to maintain a list of your staff and set up their access privileges. Let's click on the plus sign below and insert a new user. By default, the next available user ID is assigned, but you may enter any user ID you wish as long as it is not a duplicate. On GoPause, entering the ID and then pressing the user key, USR, in a register mode will allow quick user login. Entering 0 and then pressing the user key will log out the current user. Enter the username, and if you wish, user last name. Enter the user password. Click on the Show button to display the password, or click on Hide to hide it. The password may be left blank, but this means that the user will be allowed to log in to GoPause without being forced to enter a password. The default price level, as well as the user price levels, are defined by the price level quantity value entered in setting 4, price level quantity. If I quickly go to settings, and change this value to 5, all users may now be given access to user price levels 1 through 5. You may also now set the user's default price level to any of the levels the user has access to. If a user has access to multiple price levels, they may switch from their default price level to any other price level by pressing on a price level key set up on the register keyboard. The current price level being used in the transaction will be displayed on the GoPause register upper display area. This price level will remain in effect until the user selects a different price level or changes user. The only other thing we need to do to complete this user setup is to define the user options. Let's have a closer look at each of these options. The Manager option gives the user managerial rights. Most functions within GoPause can be set up to require managerial rights. If the user does not have Manager enabled as an option and the function is set up as requiring managerial rights, a Manager required warning message will be displayed and the user will not be allowed to perform the action without Manager override. Managerial override may be accessed by pressing the user key and temporarily logging in with a user that does have managerial rights. MO will be displayed at the top of the register to indicate managerial override mode. The register will return to regular mode once the entry has been completed or the clear key has been pressed. The training option puts the user in training mode. This means that transactions entered by this user are not reflected in the cash register daily totals. R refers to register mode and grants the user access to the register. X is report mode and grants access to the GoPause reports. Z is clear report mode and grants access to clear the GoPause reports. P is programming mode and allows the user to make programming changes on GoPause. Users will have read-only access to the program if this option is disabled. Granting P rights also allows the user to enable the Android bars and grants them access to the Android system. The Add Products on the Fly option will allow users to add items on the fly. On GoPause, if a user scans an item or enters an item that is not currently in the list of defined products, the user will be given the opportunity to add the item. A Product Not Found pop-up window will appear, allowing the user to enter a product name, department, and price. Pressing Add will add the item to the product table and allow the user to proceed with the sale. Pressing Cancel will terminate the entry and will not add the item. Open Cash Drawer 1 and Open Cash Drawer 2 will open the specified cash drawer if enabled when the transaction is tendered. Well, that is it for user maintenance, but stay tuned, and in the next video we'll have a closer look at the Departments module.
Why don't you subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can get notified as soon as we upload any new videos. Also, if you want to learn more about the Optima APOS series line of products or need any POS accessories such as barcode scanners, printers, Windows PC POS terminals, and more, visit www.optimagopos.ca. Again, that's www.optimagopos.ca. I'm Brandon from Optima, and I'll see you again.